What is the number of terms of the series 13 plus 20 plus 27 plus 34 plus dot 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 plus 111? Welcome to Home of Math. This video we are trying to solve some short questions of finite series. These math are designed for secondary education international standards. Let's start. Before find the solution, we have to know about what kinds of series this one. Does it arithmetic or geometric? Look, 13 plus 20 plus 27 plus 34, the difference between each term is 7, right? So this is a arithmetic series. We know about n term of arithmetic series is a plus n minus 1 times d, and the last term is 111. So we can write like this 111. So a, it means first term is 13. We can write here 13 plus, we don't know what is the term, so we cannot write anything in here, so we can write n minus 1, and d is a difference between each term, which is 7, equals to 111, right? So here we can write 13 plus 7n minus 7 equals to 111, right? Next line. So 13n minus 7, it means 6, so we can write 7n equals to 111 minus 6, because we exchange this 6 to left side to right side. So here is 7n, 111 minus 6, it means here is 105. So once we divide both sides by 7, we will get n equals to what? 15. So our answer here is some option like 10, 13, 15 and 20, and our right answer is 15. Okay, hope you understand this one. So in this case, these kinds of math, first step we have to find what kinds of series this one. Is it arithmetic, or geometric? Okay, and we have to know the nth term, which is a plus n minus 1 times d. Once you know this one, we can easily find out the result. So first question answer done. Second question, the series 5 plus 8 plus 11 plus 14 plus dot 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 plus 62. Here is some question like, is it a finite series? Yes, it's a finite series, because 62 is a last number and stop here. So this is a sequence maintained like 5 8 8 11 11 14, the difference between each term is 3. So this is a finite series, but in this case it's not a geometric series. We know about geometric series that each term ratio is same, but here difference is same. So arithmetic series, it should difference, and geometric series, it should ratio, right? So this is not a right answer, that this series is a geometric series. And third thing, n 19 term of the series is 59. So 19 term. So in this case we have to follow a plus n minus 1 times d. A means first term, which is 5, plus n, here n is 19. So we can write here 19, then minus 1, and d is a difference between each term, so it will be 3. So here we can write 5 plus 18. 9 minus 1 is 8. 19 minus 1 is 18. 8 times 3 is a what? 54. So we get here 59. So this is a right thing. So in this question we find two right answer, which is number 1 and number 3. Therefore our right answer is 2, where mention which one of the following is correct. The correct answer is number 1 and number 3. Okay, so this is our right answer. So once we face these kinds of question in the examination hall, we should know the right answer because we know the terms. The terms is a plus n minus 1 d, and we know about arithmetic series and geometric series. Next question. Read the following information and answer question 3 and 4. So here is a series which is 7 plus 13 plus 19 plus 25. So first we have to know about what kinds of series this one. This is a arithmetic series because look, 25 and 19 difference is 6, 19 and 13 difference is 6, and 13 and 7 difference is 6. So difference, it means d equals to here 6, and a is a first term which is 7. We just note this one. So our question is, which one is the 15th term of the series? So we know a plus n minus 1 d. A is a 7 plus n means 15, here n is 15. So 15 minus 1, and d is a difference is 6. So we can write here which one is the right answer. 7 plus 15 minus 1, it means 14. 14 times 6. 14 times 6 is a what? 84, right? 84, and 84 plus 7 is a 91. So our right answer is 91. Where is 91? This is a 91. Okay. Next question is, what is the summation of first 20 terms of the series? Look, here is a new thing which is summation. In the arithmetic sequence, we know about summation Sn equals to what? N divide 2, then 2a plus n minus 1 times d. So here n is a what? N equals to 20. So we can write here 20 divide 2, then 2a. A means what? 7. We can write 7 plus n is 20 minus 1, d is a 6. Now look, 10 divide 2, 20 divide 2 is a 10, then 2 times 7 is a 14, plus 20 minus 1 is a 19, 19 times 6 is a 114. So here is a 10, then times 114, and 14 is a 128. Once you multiply by 10, it will become 1280. So 1280 is our right answer, which is number 3. Okay, so this is our right answer. Number 5. Find common difference and the 12th term of the series. The series is 2 minus 5 minus 12 minus 19. So what is the common difference? Here is minus 19. We can write here minus 19. Then difference is minus, and here is minus 12. So we can write minus 19 minus and minus plus 12 equals to what? Minus 7. And minus 7 is a common difference. So our this question answer common difference of this arithmetic series. series equals to like this is a minus 7. Now we have to know about 12th term of the series. We know nth term of the series a plus n minus 1 times d, and look, common difference, it means this is a d. So a means first term, which is 2, plus 12th term, so we can write here 12 minus 1, and common difference is d, which is minus 7. So we can write here 2 plus 12 minus 1, it will be 11, and then times minus 7. So 2 minus 77 equals to minus 75, and this is our answer. We can read again the question. Find common difference and 12th term of the series, which is common difference is minus 7 and 12th term of the series is minus 75. Our next question, which term of the series 8 plus 11 plus 14 plus 17 plus dot 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 is 392. So which term is 392? It means we have to find the result of n, right? So first, this series first term a equals to 8. This series common difference d equals to what? Suppose 11 minus 8 equals to 14 minus 11 equals to 7 minus 14. It means common difference is 3. Okay, so this is a arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic series. So we know the n term, what? A plus n minus 1 times d. Okay, so n term equals to 392. We have to know about n. So we can write like this. Therefore, a plus n minus 1 times d equals to 392. A means what? A means 8 plus we don't know about n, and d is a 3, and here is 392. Okay, then 8 plus 3n minus 3 equals to 392. Then 8 minus 3 is at 5, so 3n plus 5 equals to 392. Then 3n equals to 392 minus 5. Okay, now look, 3n equals to 392 minus 5 is a 387. And if we divide both sides by n, so 387 divide 3, and the answer is what? 129. So 192 term is a 392. Okay, so this is our answer. Okay, so next question, which term of the series 4 plus 7 plus 10 plus 13 plus dot 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 is 301? Last question answer and this question answer totally same. Here we can write like this: a plus n minus 1 times d equals to 301. Look, 13 minus 10 is a 3, 10 minus 7 is a 3, 7 minus 4 is a 3. So common difference is 3. So d equals to 3. A equals to what? 4. Right? N we have to know. So a we can write 4 plus n we don't know, n minus 1, d is a 3 equals to 301. Now look, 4 plus 3n minus 3 equals to 301. So here is 3n, 4 minus 1 minus 3 is a plus 1, 301. Then 3n equals to 301 minus 1 equals to 300. So once we divide both sides by 3, so n equals to 300 divide 3 equals to 100. So our answer is 100. So this video we are trying to solve 7 math, which is very important for competitive examination, and this question is international standard of secondary education. So keep try to practice at home, and if you think this video is helping you, don't forget subscribe the channel. Thank you.